We overslept and missed our flight on Friday, but we're able to fly out on Saturday, so here we go. Hey, thanks for checking out the videos. I hope you'll consider subscribing to the channel. This is our second season coming to Telluride. Justin had invited me and Noah last year, and we knew there'd be good snow this time, so we were pretty excited. The first day was a little overcast and there was lots of snow, but it was pretty cold. However, the next day it was just gorgeous out. We woke up to blue skies, great snow, great weather, and it was just time to get after it. I guess you would say last year we were still pretty green at snowboarding. We had done one trip to Chattahoochee and then we'd actually gone out west here to Telluride. And so this year we actually spent a week at Sugar and we caught the mountain with great snow. And then we also went to Chattahoochee and we caught Chattahoochee during a winter storm. And so I felt like we came into Telluride this year already warmed up and having spent a lot of time on the board. Both Noah and I have skied for a number of years, but we just started snowboarding last year. And I just really enjoyed this day. Super blue skies, perfect temperatures, still a lot of snow left on the ground. And the biggest thing that I enjoyed was, just being a more confident snowboarder, being able to handle myself, not falling as much is obviously nice. And here's a good shot of Jim, Justin's dad, on the skis. He was killing it the whole week we were there. And this year I felt like I could appreciate Telluride more than I did last year. Just being so new to the board, I was still kind of trying to get my footing and make that transition from skis. But I don't know, there was just something about this year being more confident. I tried a lot more things. Felt like I went into, I tried going into the trees. I tried hitting some of the moguls. I tried jumping a little bit, and there were just a number of things that made it a lot nicer. Noah's getting his boots fixed.
Yeah, we can definitely do adjustments here. So we're fully maxed out over here on this side. We're just bringing it.
After getting Noah's boots straightened up, we were able to get some crepes out in the food area and get suited back up and hit the mountain. So last year I did a video on Gold Hill. It absolutely was terrifying to me. I was still a pretty new snowboarder, wasn't very confident. This is an incredibly high area and it just banks off on each side. So this year I went back to Gold Hill. I guess you'd say it was redemption. For me, it was just really nice to enjoy these views, not feel like I was gonna fly off the side of the cliff. So what happened with Noah's boots, last year my boots ended up being too big and I had a lot of problems. And so Noah took my boots and I got new boots. Well, we accidentally brought his larger boots from last year, and so he had the same problems that I did. He also made some adjustments to my bindings, and this made me a lot more comfortable carving, especially on my backside. And I was having trouble with the cat tracks a lot last year, but with the adjustments to my boot and riding more comfortably, I was definitely excited to not have to dismount during these cat tracks. So I'll consider that a win for both Gold Hill and the cat track. I didn't have to stop this time. I made it. I made it. Woo! I couldn't get started once I was like that. Woo. So where are we going, right? We suit up here. Look how little that skier looks. Yeah, there was a guy waiting for the sun or something.
Yeah. I don't think it's coming out. Plus the sun's like behind the hill. I can do that.
I definitely look forward to going back to Telluride. I felt like this trip I progressed so much from last year between Gold Hill, the moguls, riding more steeps, understanding the board better, getting to ride here in the Revelation Bowl. It was a good trip. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching.
So how does this work?
So essentially, you just want to kind of hold it under your arms, like out in front.
Just let it drag you up the hill?
Yeah.
Let go! Let go!
Seriously, we do not enjoy the